This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have editor or admin access. This avoids permission errors. Next, open the CMS or code repository and navigate directly to the target page. Once there, make an immediate backup, copy the file or export the HTML so you can revert if needed. While you're at it, note the template or components used. This helps you edit the right section rather than changing the wrong file. Now edit the content, update headings, body copy, and meta tags so search and users see the changes. Replace images, compress to reduce load time, and update alt text for accessibility. While editing, check internal links and relative paths. Broken links cause 400 force. Once edits are made, use preview mode and test in 2 browsers to confirm layout and functionality. If you're changing templates, verify CSS, save your changes and run the standard deploy or hit publish in the CMS. Follow any required build steps. After deployment, verify the live page, check layout, test links, and measure load time. Also confirm mobile responsiveness and that analytics tracking is firing. If something breaks, roll back immediately by restoring the backup or reverting the commit. Troubleshooting tip: if the live page shows old content, clear CDN and browser cache before further edits to rule out cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.